Are you considering switching to monthly contact lenses but aren't sure if they're right for you? Monthly lenses increase the risk of protein and lipid buildup on the lenses, requiring diligent cleaning and maintenance to avoid potential eye issues. Neglecting proper care can lead to an increased risk of eye infections. Some users may experience initial discomfort or dryness when transitioning to monthly lenses, as the eyes adapt to the new material. Carrying a month's supply of lenses, along with cleaning solutions, might be less convenient for travelers compared to the portability of daily disposables. However, monthly lenses are often more budget-friendly than daily disposables, making them a cost-effective option for regular contact lens wearers. Many monthly lenses are made from materials that allow more oxygen to reach the eyes, promoting better eye health and comfort. Monthly lenses are available in a wide range of prescriptions, catering to various vision needs, including astigmatism and presbyopia. Using fewer lenses overall means less packaging waste, contributing to a more environmentally friendly option compared to daily disposables.